How to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. First things first, open up your Cash App on your phone or tablet. Now tap on the Balance tab at the bottom of your screen. Next up, hit the Add Cash option and the type in amount you want to add to your Cash App. Select Add Cash and enter amount. Now it's time to choose the type of gift card you have, Walmart in your case. Select the gift card type. Here comes the crucial part. Input the card number, expiration date and CVV code. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Once you have double-checked, hit that Add Card button. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you have successfully transferred money from your Walmart gift card to your Cash App. Well, this way you can easily transfer your money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.